So, hello my friends, Devaun Lennox here, PhotographyPX. In today's video, we'll cover the best camera lens rental sites. Do you know you can find timestamps and links in the description down below, as well as the pinned comment? And also know this is not a sponsored video. Let's get started. Face it, creative equipment is expensive, and budget constraints become a key limitation in many of our creative journeys. Not to mention, not every city has a physical camera shop, much less one offering rentals as well. Thankfully, it doesn't have to be that way, and there's an excellent alternative. Rental houses, a submodel of sorts of traditional camera stores, and they're the ideal way to try an expensive or unusual piece of gear firsthand before leaping in to invest. Plus, they're also a reliable means of picking up new items at a bargain, since many offer buyout options or fully used marketplaces. As such, it's no wonder why rental houses and their accompanying sites are a keepsake in the industry despite the online trends. Today's rental companies have also made it easier than ever. Most offer local pickup and next day delivery options with flexible lens to offer maximum flexibility and little hassle. So getting virtually any lens, camera body, or even support tools like tripods or sliders is entirely pain-free. With that, we've taken a look at the options around and we've compiled a list of the best camera lens rental sites on the present market. Do know for this particular video, PhotographyPX is a US-based company, so we focused on US-based rental providers as such. Coming at number 9, Aperturent. Aperturent has locations in Atlanta, Dallas, and Washington, and they provide a wide range of cameras, lenses, lighting, and video support tools and accessories, together totaling 60 plus brands in their arsenal, primarily focused on the latest releases. They offer a streamlined and more minimalistic approach to renting, where they display recommended accessories, specifications, and user manuals, but they don't include hands-on reviews of previous renters. Even so, they have a comprehensive collection of items, many of which are high-end releases, and they're a solid option if you're not looking for something from a past generation. Coming in at number 8, Camera Lens Rental. Camera Lens Rental is an Indiana-based rental house providing gear to customers since 2007. They specialize in Canon, Nikon, Sony, and DJI products, but they also offer various lighting accessories as well. Even so, they were the first company to begin renting DJI drones, first starting in 2013, and they now offer the most comprehensive fleet of drones online, besting rivals in this regard. As such, they're the go-to option if you want to add aerial capabilities to your repertoire. Coming in number 7, KITSPLIT. KITSPLIT is a creative community of 60,000 plus photographers and filmmakers. Together, they have hundreds of millions of dollars worth of equipment ranging from cameras, lights, rigging, and support tools. And this communal marketplace connects local creatives and equipment together. In many ways, it's the Airbnb approach to rental houses for photographers, and it becomes a means for creatives using the platform to turn their casual, unused gear into a viable income source. But for renters, it's an excellent resource to find nearby equipment, and it's easy to search too. They also vet each profile to ensure transparency, so it's a solid option to consider if you want something the same day or you want to connect with local talent. Coming at number 6, ShareGrid. ShareGrid is another excellent resource to find local gear. Here you can also find local photographers lending their cameras, lenses, drones, and video equipment. And every profile is peer-reviewed to help build trust. But like KITSPLIT, gear availability will ultimately vary based on your location, so it's ultimately a resource that's best for those in larger cities rather than small towns. Even so, ShareGrid is an excellent option to find local supplies and connect with like-minded creators, and it's another place to check first before going to a more expensive agency, especially when you want something the same day. Coming at number 5, LensProToGo. LensProToGo is a Massachusetts-based rental house created by professional photographers and filmmakers, and they're experts in the gear they provide with quite a deep, intricate knowledge at that. They offer a full range of rentals including cameras, stabilizers, lighting, audio, and video support equipment. And in total, they supply tools from 120 plus brands. Interestingly, they can also ship directly to hotels, great for those traveling without hassling with gear on flights. Other bonuses include a used gear section to purchase discounted items as well. Coming at number 4, ProPhoto Rental. ProPhoto Rental is a Colorado-based rental provider with a wide range of photography, videography, audio, lighting, and support accessories, together totaling 160 plus brands in their whole fleet, focused on both new and older releases. They were the first camera rental company to go online in 2007, leading the trend. Like Aperturent, they too offer a streamlined and minimalistic approach, but they up the standard by providing more nuanced products like scrims, flags, silks, and even clamps. Plus, they have a clever, fair pricing strategy that goes against the industry norms. They call it the anti-day rate, which incrementally adds a set amount each day rather than the full base rate. Thus, it removes any need for renting longer, only to reach a new discount tier. They're also one of the few rental houses that ship gear using Pelican cases, ensuring they arrive safely. Other bonuses include a used gear section to purchase discounted items as well. Coming at number 3, Adorama Rental Company. Adorama Rentals is a subdivision of Adorama, a New York-based camera superstore. They offer a full range of still and video equipment from lenses to camera bodies, but they also have lighting, grip equipment, and even laptops. In total, they supply over 200 brands, so it's unlikely you won't find what you're looking for here. Other bonuses include a try before you buy program and long-term rentals. Coming at number 2, BorrowLenses. BorrowLenses, founded in 2007, is a long-standing rental company in our industry. They're dual-based with headquarters in both California and Massachusetts, but they have 9 pickup locations via partners on the East Coast and West Coast, so you can pick up items at your local camera store if applicable. Otherwise, they offer a wide selection of cameras, lenses, lighting, audio, and production support systems ready for delivery. Most of the products are newer, but each has honest reviews from customers with pictures showing the possibilities. Other bonuses include a used gear section to purchase available products as well. Coming at number 1, Lensrentals. Lensrentals is the largest online rental company in our industry. Based in Tennessee, they offer a full spectrum of photography, videography, audio support, and lighting tools from all of the leading brands, including the main players like Sony, Canon, and Nikon. But they also have plenty of offerings from higher-end brands like Leica, Red Digital, and Arri. Plus, they provide both old and new camera bodies and lenses, all with honest reviews from past customers. Other bonuses include purchasing options and a yearly subscription plan. But overall, given their mere selection and diversity, it's clear why they remain the go-to option in the industry. Many rental houses focus exclusively on particular releases, but not Lensrentals. They have many niche products that are not found on rivals, and those products make the difference. So there you have it, my friends. There is our list of the best camera lens rental sites. For more information, check out our website, PhotographyPX.com. You can also look at the pinned comment in the description down below, and I'll take you right to the full post. I've been your host, Devaun Lennox. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found the contents of today's video insightful and it added value to you. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Also, leave us a like and a comment in the description down below. Let us know if we overlooked something or we missed something that we covered in today's video. I've been your host, Devaun Lennox. Photography.